Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect headphones to a GMC Yukon. Start by identifying aux, USB, or Bluetooth options on your Yukon. For wired headphones, use the 3.5mm aux or a USB adapter if needed. For Bluetooth, enable pairing on both the Yukon and your headphones, then select the device from the infotainment menu. If audio splits to rear headphones, use individual seat settings to adjust balance and volume. Wired connections are usually the simplest and most reliable way to get headphone audio from a Yukon. Locate the 3.5mm aux jack or a USB port in the console, glove box, or rear seat area. Plug in your cable or the correct USB audio adapter for your headphones, then choose AUX or USB as the source on the infotainment system. Adjust balance and fade settings so the front or rear speakers mute and sound routes to headphones. Bluetooth pairing offers wireless freedom but needs a few clear steps to work smoothly in a Yukon. First, put your headphones into pairing mode as the manual describes. On the GMC infotainment screen, go to Bluetooth settings and choose Add Device or Pair New Device. Select your headphone name when it appears, accept any prompts, and confirm passcodes if asked. Finally, set the audio output to Bluetooth and adjust volume from both headphone and vehicle controls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.